I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates mostly rose on Monday after a closely watched manufacturing index showed a sharp move higher for the month of January. Of even more concern was the fact that a price measurement inside the report indicated factories are paying considerably more money for raw materials. Inflationary pressure typically causes home loan rates to rise. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 1 3/4 points, up 1/8 of a point from Friday, for an extra cost of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate was unchanged at 1/4 of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was higher, with the 4 1/4% rate now at 1 5/8 points, up 1/8 of a point from Friday. The 4 1/2% rate rose to 1/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. As mentioned, January manufacturing showed an improvement to a level of 58.4 from the previous 54.9. Any reading above 50 indicates an expanding factory sector. On Tuesday, we will see the number of pending existing home sales in December based upon signed contracts. The estimate is for a 1% increase from November, when pending home sales sank a very sharp 16%. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Tuesday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.